The journey begins long before the factory, on carefully managed crocodile farms, where these animals are raised under controlled conditions. Breeding and animal management are carefully monitored, with farms maintaining records throughout the animals' lives. When hides enter the regulated leather supply chain, traceability and legal documentation are an essential part of the process. From there, documented materials move through the supply chain towards specialized processing facilities. Inside this highly specialized factory, crocodile hides are transformed through a carefully controlled series of processes into premium leather. The process begins with inspection. Each hide is examined for its condition, scale pattern, size, and surface quality. Before tanning can begin, the hides are prepared and carefully positioned for the controlled wet processing stages. The hides are then washed to remove surface contaminants and prepare the material for the chemical stages that follow. Controlled soaking helps restore flexibility and prepares the hide for the precise sequence of treatments required to create stable leather. Tanning is a crucial transformation. Controlled chemical treatment stabilizes the hide and gives the material the durability expected from finished leather. Mechanical preparation helps bring the leather to a more consistent condition while preserving the distinctive natural scale pattern. After wet processing, the hides are carefully dried under controlled conditions, bringing the material closer to its final leather structure. Once dried, the leather can be conditioned to improve its flexibility and prepare the surface for finishing. Color is introduced in controlled stages, allowing the finished leather to develop a rich appearance while retaining its distinctive natural scale pattern. The dyed hides are then dried and set carefully, helping establish the shape and surface characteristics needed for the finishing stages. Finishing brings out the visual character of the leather, enhancing its surface while keeping the natural scale structure visible. Precision work follows the main finishing stages. Small details are refined by hand before every hide reaches final inspection. Every finished hide undergoes quality control, where technicians check the surface, finish, dimensions, and overall consistency. Measurements and grading determine how each finished hide can be used, from premium leather goods to specialized luxury applications. After passing inspection, the finished leather is carefully stored, ready to leave the processing plant and become part of a new product. What begins as a carefully processed hide can ultimately become a highly specialized material used by skilled makers for premium leather goods. Behind every finished piece is a complex journey of inspection, processing, finishing, and skilled quality control, all within a highly specialized leather industry.